What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best tire repair kits on the market today. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So, whether it's price performance or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started.
Number 5.
In our list, the number 5 product name is Tooluxe 50002L-35-piece tire repair. Kicking off our list is Tooluxe, with their easy-to-use car puncture repair kit. The simple kit works with all tubeless tires, without the need to remove the tire from your vehicle. Inside the kit, you'll find a rasp tool, an insert tool, 2 hex keys, 30 string plugs, and a tub of sealing lubricant, everything you need to get you back on the road in no time. Both tools feature an ergonomic T-shaped handle design for greater comfort during use, and maximum turning power. All tools are built to last, from sand-blasted stainless steel. They're resistant to dirt, grime and corrosion, and are easy to clean. Each kit comes in its own compact box, featuring a carry handle for easy storage. Users were impressed with the professional quality of the kit, which can be used again and again thanks to the high number of string plugs.
Number 4.
In our list, the number 4 product name is Boulder Tools Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. The next tire repair kit to earn itself a spot on our list is this heavy-duty option put together by Boulder Tools. The 56-piece kit can be used to repair any tubeless tire puncture with ease, making it suitable for cars, trucks, motorcycles, ATVs, trucks, and even lawnmowers. At the heart of the kit are a set of strong and durable tools, including a set of pliers to make removing the source of your puncture safer and easier than ever. Each tool features an ergonomically designed handle for easy use, while a clear set of instructions included with each kit allows you to plug the tire in no time, without any mechanical experience. Each kit comes in its own compact and organized box, and includes a 1-year warranty. Overall, this heavy-duty kit certainly lives up to its name. It includes everything you could possibly need to get your tire back in working order in a matter of minutes.
Number 3.
In our list, the number 3 product name is Slime Power Spair Tire Repair Kit. Slime have earned their second spot on our list straight away with this 48-piece complete tire repair kit. Inside is pretty much everything you could hope for when confronted with a puncture in the middle of nowhere, all contained inside a compact and handy travel case. Included is a 12-volt tire inflator, which can be plugged directly into the cigarette lighter of any car. It's capable of inflating a standard car tire in just 3 minutes, so you'll be back on the road in no time. The kit also features a large tube of Slime's own tire sealant, formulated to seek out and instantly seal punctures up to 1/4 inch in size, using their unique VibroSeal technology. To prepare the puncture for the sealant, the kit includes a T-handle rasp tool and a plugging tool, along with 30 repair strings. It's quick and easy to use, built to last, and takes up hardly any room at all in the trunk of your car.
Number 2.
In our list, the number 2 product name is Stop and Go Pocket Tire Plugger. At less than 2 pounds in weight, and only a few inches in size, Stop and Go's pocket-sized tire plugger kit certainly lives up to its name. Its small size makes the kit ideal for vehicles with limited storage space, such as motorcycles, ATVs, golf carts, and small tractors. Inside, you'll find a rasp tool, a plug insertion tool, and a hex key, alongside 12 mushroom plugs. The kit also includes compact CO2 canisters and an adapter, so you can inflate your tire to its proper size wherever you are. Users report that the kit is easy to use, even if you've never plugged a tire before, and can be a real lifesaver when it comes to rural punctures.
Number 1.
In our list, the number 1 product name is Heavy Duty Tire Repair Kit. Last, but no least, is this heavy-duty tire repair kit by Tooluxe. The kit makes for an easy tire fix wherever you are, featuring high-quality pliers, a pressure gauge, and T-handle spiral rasp and plug insertion tools. The kit also contains a selection of 20 plugs, in 3 different sizes, for differently sized punctures. These brown string plugs are strong and durable, designed to be much tougher than their black string counterparts. Tooluxe have added a few extra pieces to their kit too, for your convenience. A set of gloves protect your hands while you fix the puncture, and replacement valve cores and caps are handy to have around in any tire repair situation. Customers say the kit is compact and versatile, offering peace of mind during any car journey.